Okay, we're headed downstairs to where Durkee lives. Okay. This is now our downstairs room. That's where Dirk's sleeping. On top of the pool table. That's funny. You climb up right there. This guy's little couch set up. For a little living room area. And this is where the basketball hoop thing used to be. But John is babysitting that for us. Here's where Dirk was sleeping. This is Andrew's old room. Look, Andrew, your clouds are still there. Woohoo, floating in the wind. They ripped up this carpet. I think all they have to do here is the carpet. I don't think they have to do the wall. But don't quote me on that. So Andrew, if they have to get rid of your ceiling and your wall, I'm sorry. I don't know. Now we're getting over to, sorry, this is a messy tool room now. This room over here is the one that we think got hit the worst. Oh, I don't think there's any lights in here. Think. Yeah. Dang it, they shut out the lights. Well, for those of you who know, this used to be the clown room, or Conrad's old room. So sorry, but you can't see in there. I don't even see any flashlights anywhere. So anyway, this room, yeah, you can't even see anything. Anyway, they've completely demolished that room. Ceiling's gone, the walls are gone. But hey, Con, we get to get